welcome back to my channel Journal Output. I am Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I am going to be sharing you a very amazing thing that I have got. So please continue watching this video, but before going into detail, I would like to say you smash the like button and subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get every new notification immediately, and share this video as much as you can to give benefit to each another, to your friends and family. So let's get started with today's video. In this video, actually, I'm going to talk about and I'm going to show you that there is a Wondershare Dr. Fone. How is it going to help you is that if you want to win iPhone 12, if you are an iPhone lover, or if you like iPhone so much, or if you are a user of iPhone, then definitely you want iPhone 12. And if you are getting iPhone 12 in free, so how about this deal? This is from Wondershare Dr. Fone, which is giving you iPhone 12 in free. I'll show you how to apply for that and how to do it. It is a giveaway. So now the next thing which is going to help you, the Dr. Fone which is going to help you with is if you have any iPhone device, your iPad, your any iPhone which have iOS 14 is going to help you in repairing your iPhone, and there are a lot of features in this. The link for those both are down in description box. You can check that out. Now I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's go to screen to learn it. So now we are on the screen and you can see I have opened the link. The link is down in the description box, as I told you. Now this is the link which I have opened in my PC right here. And now you can see this is a Wondershare Dr. Fone right here. And this is the interface. Here you can win iPhone 12 in free. The first thing that I would like to share with you or to tell you is what to win a new iPhone 12. Here are the options. When will you update your iOS? You have to click I have already done it, and then the next step is to put your email in here. So you have to put your email, and right here as I have done. Okay, right here. And then you have to submit to win new iPhone 12. When you will click here on the submit button, so it will be written submitted successfully. Then you have to download it in your PC. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm not doing it, but you have to download it. Okay, so cancel because I've done it already. And then you have to share it as much as you can so that your chances will increase to win the iPhone 12. So this is how you can apply for a giveaway. And the next thing I will show you the software that we have downloaded. How does that work? So we'll go through that. So now, as I told you, I've already installed it, and this is how the software is. So here are a couple of tools, like so many tools. The first one I would like to tell you is the data recovery. You can recover data from your phone. The next thing is your phone manager, and that is you can transfer data between your phone and computer. And the third one is WhatsApp transfer. You can transfer backup or your restore WhatsApp, like you can do these kind of stuff. The next is screen unlock. You can remove your iPhone unlock or Apple ID activation lock. The next is system repair. You can repair your iOS or Android system, fix the iTunes error. The next is iPhone or phone transfer, copy all data from one phone to another. The next is phone backup, and the next is data eraser, virtual location, and so on. I would like to tell you something about system repair. So we'll go in this and we'll learn that what is inside this. So let's click on it right here. So this is here, and we have this two options right here. One is standard mode, and other is advanced mode. So first I would like to tell you about the standard mode, which is a retain data fix over 20 iOS problems such as black screen of death, or you are stuck on an iPhone Apple logo, or you're stuck in a recovery mode. You can use this tool to make it into, but your data will be retained. It will be as it is. So you can apply this for your iPhone. The next one is advanced mode, in which you will erase the data, fix your iOS more problems, but erase all the device data which is inside your phone. You can also use this mode for the fail to fix the iOS problems in the standard mode. So I hope that you like the video. Thanks for watching this video. This was all about.